In this video, we're going to be talking about variables. First, we're going to begin with, what is a variable? Well, a variable is a symbol that represents a value we don't know yet, usually representing an unknown numerical value in many equations, or in a equation, I should say. There's usually the values x, y, and z, which you'll have to find the value of. But it can be any letter. It can be like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, any letter in the alphabet that is the variable being used to represent a numerical value. We're going to start with a simple problem. 6 plus A when A equals 3. I'm going to start by rewriting the problem. So we're going to keep our 6 in the plus sign or the addition sign, and we're going to plug in 3 for A, and then you solve by adding 6 and 3 to get 9. Now we have C plus 8 when C equals 1. I'm going to start by plugging in 1 for C, and then adding the 8. When you do 1 plus 8, you get 9. For our next problem, we have 1,000 plus x when x equals 2. So I'm going to rewrite the problem. We have 1,000 plus 2 because you're plugging in 2 for x. And then when you add, you get 1,002. Now we have 8 minus c plus 5 when c is equal to 5. So first, I'm going to start by writing 8 minus 5 because c is equal to 5. And then you have plus 5. So when you solve for it, the 5's cancel out because you have negative 5 plus 5, which gives you 0. And you're just left with 8. For our next problem, we have 16 over a when a is equal to 4. So you're going to rewrite the problem, 16 over 4, because that is your a equals 4, and then you solve for it and you get 4. Now we have 18 over x when x is equal to 9. We're going to start by plugging in our x. So you have 18 over 9 because that's what your x equals. And when you solve for it, you get 2. Here, we're given the problem 25 over 10 plus x when x is equal to 15. So, rewriting the problem, plugging in our x, we have 25 over 10 plus 15, which is equal to 25 over 25 because 10 plus 15 is 25. And if you divide those two numbers, you get 1. With this problem, we're multiplying two variables by each other. So we have 10 times a times b when a equals 3 and b is equal to 1. Plugging in our given values, we will rewrite this as 10 times 3 times 1, which is equal to 30. Here we're given the problem 20 times b plus c minus 8 when b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 3. So we're going to rewrite this problem, plugging in our given values. We have 20 times 4, because that's what b equals, plus 3, because that's what c equals, minus 8. And then we're going to solve. We'll simplify the equation. So we have 20 times 4, which is 80, plus 3 minus 8. And then we're going to add the 80 and 3 following orders of operation. So you have 83 minus 8, which is then equal to 75. So this problem shows us 80 divided by x plus 5 minus y when x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 9. So you're going to plug in our given values. We have 80 over 10 plus 5 minus 9. So simplifying it further, we have 8 plus 5 minus 9. So when we add 8 plus 5, we get 13 minus 9, which is equal to 4. For our last problem, we're doing nothing but subtracting. So we have 3 minus n minus c when n is equal to 10 and c is equal to 2. So plugging in our given values, we have 3 minus 10 minus 2. If we subtract 3 and 10 first, we get negative 7 because you keep the sign of the bigger number. So we have negative 7 minus 2 equal to negative 9.